So hello guys. I hope you're doing fine. Um, I just wanted to take this chance and welcome you back to my channel. And for those who are joining right now, please don't just leave without trying to understand what I am saying because I know I can help you if you are still struggling with um trading. I only trade gold for now. I day trade gold, but as I kind of swing trade. But you'll understand what I do when you are with me for long enough. Okay. Um. So as you can see, today is on date 23 February 2026, and it's at 9:25 a.m. That's in New York time. See, UTC -5. Um. You can see that here I have taken this trade here. Just went long here at I don't know what the price that is 151 151, that should be 151.930, 151.930 long there, 40 lots. um so I think you guys should swing trade, learn how to swing trade, because but again, you can't learn how to swing trade um without you learning how to day trade. They go hand in hand. Okay. Yeah. So if you guys can remember where we came from last week, here on Friday we closed here, you're gonna see that when I pull up my PDRAs, my secret battles, the things that they don't want me to show you. Okay, just sit around and let me show you. So price close here on Friday, that's on 5108.255, and price open at 5118.710, and price just was bullish, but we have had this consolidation here um since you can see this here was the London session here. So um I quickly wanna show you why I took this trade here, how I'm going to get out of it, and how I placed my stop. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you. I was risking 600 there for, you can see where I'm targeting. You will see that you don't know why I'm targeting here. How can he targets? He has so specific target. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Um. So you can see this is the 1 hour candle stick. I wanna quickly pull out the 4 hour. See how that is? See that? So let me quickly pull out my PDRAs. It's gonna be dirty, but so you're gonna cope up with that shit. Um. First of all, I have this graded here. Okay, this one here. So you see where we open here. We switch to the 1 hour time frame because that's where we had at least more candles where we can come up with a narrative. So we have this 1 hour BC, say balance price range. We have this one here. See that? Price don't necessarily have to come back to these balance price ranges, but at points where there is liquidity, it comes for them. Okay, that's a gem there. It comes for them. So you observe that. Okay, this one here, the graded, this one here. Okay, this 1 hour wick. Remember what we say wicks are? They are imbalances. Okay, Wicks are imbalances. Wicks are treated as imbalances. Okay, we have this wick here graded zero point 0.5 level. That's the mean thresh. That's the consequent encroachment of that. See, you see what my stop is? Yeah, that's very logical. Price can't come back there. It has already used that PDRA. It can't come back there. Okay, and did it come back to that point? No, just filled these imbalance here and slightly offered some long entries here. Switch that here, and if you I keep on getting these situations where I miss some trades because I was doing something else, and I have to really focus on what's happening in the market at first. After I get an entry, I go do other things. Okay, yeah. Um. So you see that consequent encroachment. That means the center of that wick. See that there, there. Price use that. Okay, price use that. And how did it use it? You see those candlesticks? Do you see those bodies? You have to wait for that liquidity to be taken and for this candlestick to close just above that and the other one to close just above that zero point 0.5 level. See that there? 5,137.130. Okay? So there we have that. So you see how the candle closes just above that? hmm And I have these here. This one here, down close candle. What's that? What's that? That's an order block. That's a bullish order block. Okay. So we're gonna have that mid level there, the zero point 0.5 level. That's 5,139.782. That's the main threshold. Okay. The main threshold. So my first I'm gonna take my partials here. Okay. But I am sure that the market will come to here. Remember I talked about this imbalance on the weekend yesterday. Do you see that? Do you see how price is using everything here? Do you see that? Oh, you don't see this liquidity. This minus outside liquidity. Let me pull it out on 15 minutes time frame. You see that? That? There. There. And we have there. See how the market comes for that? Beautiful. Very, very. So we go back to the 1 hour time frame. Immediately this kind of closes just above that. This becomes my order block. Why? Because was the lowest down close candle in this price action here. So this becomes another block and a rejection block as well. So I'm gonna wanna grade it. What do we do to those rejection blocks and order blocks? See that? That's how. This is how my coordinates are. Okay, I have these. Only these. I don't have nothing else. This is zero point 0.5 level. Okay, I one there. This is the zero. This is the Fibonacci retracement. If anyone who is still wondering how I do that. Okay, see that market is open. This is not market replay. This is live trading. This is live trading. Okay, yeah. So you can see how gold is moving. Unfortunately, I won't be with you because I am attending to some matters. Today I was out with my family and I just enjoyed every single time I was with them. I also should add you to just Don't forget your families because you are also doing this thing because of your family. Okay, and by family, you know what I mean. Okay, and you'll soon come to realize that this thing will give you enough time to be with your family at any place, at any time. Do you understand that? Later, you're gonna make so much fucking money and you'll buy back your freedom. You understand that? Yeah. Sorry for shouting, bro. Um, so I have already given you what I will be looking for. See that? So I want this candle to close just above that. The other one to open and just pump higher, or this one might pump higher. Nobody knows. Okay, but I want it to just ran through this minor buy side liquidity. Okay, that's the most basic thing that I taught. See that liquidity. See that liquidity. Oh my! What else do you want? What else do you really want? What else do you want to see? If you have seen my recent videos, you'll just come to understand that I am doing just the same thing. Just the same fucking thing. It don't change. Nothing changes. I'm doing the same fucking thing. Okay? And if I am doing the same thing, that means I am a free human being. Okay? I am doing the same thing that makes me money. And this this thing is not costing you labor. Okay? You're doing it within minutes and you're done. And that's how it goes. Okay? So we have that there taken out. See that? See that? You see that, Rand? See that? You see that? Oh my god. Do you see this? Oh my god. It's beautiful there. Take out my partials as usual. Take out my 20. Okay. I close that. That's $500. That's $500. Okay. And see what I'm going to do. Stop loss just above the break even. Okay. See that? Slightly below the point 0.5 level. See that? Take profit. That's now gonna target here, here, there. We have this buy side here, so I'm gonna target that first. This one here, this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna target that first. See that? There. And that's simply what I do, bro. Simply what I do. I don't do much. I just come here, I sit down, I analyze the market, and I tell you where we're gonna go. And goddamn, that's it. So you also are observing how I am taking my partials. That means even if price just comes back to my zone, my entry zone, I'll still have something. You understand? And I move my stop loss to break even. That means I am completely protected. Taking out your partials feels like all the load has been unloaded off your shoulder, bro. You just feel lighter. You just feel, I don't know. You feel like that's it. Um, so you see what I'm doing there? I wanna see how price will again use this 4 hour CB, maybe as an IFPG, as an inversion fair value gap. Very, 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 very high area of interest. See this one here? My PD arrays. These are mine. These are now my premium arrays. Okay, I have these here. This buy side liquidity, the all-time high. So that's what I'm targeting. Okay, that's what in my mind. And that's it, guys. See that? Do you see how price is just being ruthless? It's being worthless, bro. It's being worthless. It don't want you to go in. If you didn't get a chance, you are not going in no more. See that? You are going in no more, bro. So this is beautiful. I hope I hope what I do here helps everybody because this is why I do it. Just to free other souls that have been locked into jails. And those are like mental jails, okay? Mental prisons. And then you are put into that prison ever since you were born. They hammered it in when they told you to go to school. I went to school too, and it fucked me up. But still, it's funny how I'm still recovering on some of my unhealthy situations back in high school. Okay, but that is what the market reveals. Unfortunately, you have to face yourself. You have to face the worst enemy, and that's your ego. That's you, the I that you think you are, and it's gonna be crashed down. You're gonna feel like giving up. I feel like giving up. I came to a place where I did not wanna see charts no more, bro. They are hurting me, but I still push myself into them. I just wanna understand what's going on, and I I I literally like went to hell, bro. I went to hell. I I just couldn't understand why price was doing what it was doing, and that hurt me the most because I was still trying to rush the process. Don't do that. Mm-mm. Just slow down, bro. Bro, slow down, and then you're gonna get this thing. Okay? See you next time. Maybe tomorrow, or if I think I'm gonna have another video today in the evening. Um, so see you again tomorrow, and we do the same thing. If I'll be available, I will do the same thing. Okay? Yeah. And if you're going through a problem that you think I can help you with, just don't hesitate to come to my community and just comment on what you want. Well illustrated. Do you see how price is going? I They just, oh my god, I even forgot. They just fucking killed El Mencho. Oh my god, they killed El Mencho. They fucking killed El Mencho, bro. And you see Trump wanna blow up Iran, bro. These are fears, and where are these fears being put into? The markets, bro. I'm just happy, bro, because when I see that kind of stuff just going out there, I see I know price is gonna move, and I'm gonna take that to my advantage. But again, that is those are people suffering. Okay, that is not good at all because this thing tends to feed off the suffering of humanity. Okay, that's what it is, and I hate it. But I have to take advantage of it. Okay, we grow above ourselves through it. Okay, um, today we had a mid impact event. at 8 a.m.